In today's video, I'll be talking about how to get started with Claude Code. You can install this, of course, in any of the operating system, whether it is Windows, Linux, Mac. With Claude Code, you can not only develop an entire application, but you can also do the engineering of your existing application. I have also provided you the link of getting started with Codex, which is the coding engine by OpenAI. But Claude Code is by Anthropic. Actually, this is one of the engines which I'm using. So let me show you one of the servers where I'm using both of these. One is Codex. You can see here, this is by OpenAI, and another is Claude. So both of these are working right now. And if in case you want to use open code, you can also use open code. So these are three different tools that I'm using for the development. And of course, this is right now on one of my servers, which is on Proxmox. Here I have a virtual machine for coding purpose. But in case you are not having a virtual machines or you're not having any virtual environment, you can directly install it on Windows machine. And in Windows, my favorite method is to use PowerShell. And if you are using, of course, Mac, Linux, or Windows subsystem for Linux, you can use this command. And you can also use npm. npm installation, it is deprecated right now. Otherwise, you could use npm. And I'm already using npm in system for different applications, but I won't be using npm for this particular installation. If I show you npm-v, so npm version is here, and even node version is also installed here. But I won't be confusing you. Of course, if you are a developer, you know about it, what is npm and what is a node. We will be using a standard method of installing using the PowerShell. If you go on top, you can see here native install is recommended, and native install for Windows is this particular method. So we have to be very careful here. So I will be going to PowerShell, run as administrator, and paste this command, which is a single command to install Claude. So once it is installed, then I will show you what we have to do. It will be needing the environment variables to be defined. If I try to run Claude here, it won't run. The reason is because I need to define this particular path, because this is the path where Claude is right now installed. And if I just show you by opening this path in my run, so you will see here that Claude is already here, and I can directly, of course, run Claude from here, but I want this command to be recognized within Windows. So what I need to do, I need to define this environment variables. Go to system properties, go to environment variables, edit the user path, go to new, and add the path above and restart your terminal. In system properties, here you need to click on environment variables. Here is the user path. And these are the system variables which you don't need to touch here. Edit the user path here. This is the user and this is the path. I will edit this. Once you edit, you will see these environment variables. So we will be adding a new environment variable here. You can also use this particular way also. So which is in fact this command. I will be providing you this command, which means that you will be adding the environment variables to environment path, and the user profile will be here. This is the new environment, which is already saved now. So what we are going to do now, we will be just simply exiting this, and I will come back here, open PowerShell. And in PowerShell, if I type Claude-version, now it will show me Claude 2.1.19 is working right now. Simply Claude, so it will just start running Claude right now. And you can see here that it tells me what should be the mode. I will use the dark mode, and one will be fine. So it is now using dark mode. Now it tells you that how you want to use Claude, whether you want to use Anthropic, where you'll be using the API. Of course, usage is billing here. And third-party platform, you can use Vertex AI or anything, but I will be using my Claude account because I have the subscription. So it can use Pro subscription, Max subscription, or the Enterprise subscription. Enter here, it will open my Claude account, and it will tell me whether I want to authorize it. I will just simply authorize. And once I authorize, it tells me your account is all set. I will be going back here now. It is saying that login is successful, and I will be entering it here now. So I can run Claude here now. I will be first of all moving to directory. You can see here I'm into this directory, but I want to move to my directory, which is in C drive. Change directory to projects, which is in C drive. So I don't need to use those commands. So it will be simply moving me to the directory So I'm in C and projects right now. Create a new folder in projects called test. So here you can see it says that a folder is created inside projects, which is a C projects. And if I go here projects, and here you can see test, and now I want to use test project and create a file called index.html with hello world. Of course, it is going to create a new file here. Here you can see it is index.html hello world. Now what I want to do a real work here. What I want to do here, I have added a prompt here. I have asked it to generate a fully responsive website for a company called SyncBricks, which is based in Australia. It is an AI agency that provides an automation and AI services in the region. The website address is syncbricks.com.au. You can use logo from this URL and store it locally and use this particular link, which is for the logo, and to get most of the information from existing website. This is it. So it now asks, it has fetched the website. Claude want to fetch the website details. Do you want to allow Claude to fetch the content? It is of course asking my permission. A modern single page website. I can go back here to website. You can see here it has added the logo here. It has the index.html, which was already there. Let us see what it does. So here you can see page is designed here. It wants to override index.html. I will say yes. Here you go. And let me refresh this page now. Single page website. Everything is working fine here. You can see it has already taken the details. Now what I want it to do is that I want to develop a web application that should allow me to create tasks for my team. Create a new folder in projects with this project name called task management and start developing the application. Of course, we can then start building the application. We can define the backend, we can define the front end, we can define various things. It will now create the folder, and I will just go back here to my folders, go to projects. You can see task management. Nothing is added here. It will start adding the question. It will start asking the questions. I need to understand the requirements before designing an application. Is it simple HTML? Is it Node.js application? Is this Python? Is this React plus Node.js? Or is it something else? So I will say I want number 4, because I have been developing the applications using number 4. It says whether you want to create basic tasks with the status and even project and categories. I will say team assignment. And do you want the login system? I will say yes, login system is also required here, and submit the answers. Now you will see here what the magic will happen now. Of course, right now I'm not using any development environment. You can use, and I can open the application, by the way, in Visual Studio Code. I can keep on developing here and see in the Visual Studio Code. You can have the Claude Code as the extension into Visual Studio Code. I have provided the link also, so you can go through it. You can understand that how you can install the extension and directly develop the code and see it in live. Because I'm just switching here. I'm moving from here to folder and looking at what it has developed. Front end is here, back end is here. Everything will be defined here. So we will be just looking at it, how it will start developing everything. And of course, as I mentioned, that I'm using npm. So using npm, then we can run this application easily. So while it is editing, I can simply go back here, and you can check here. If I click on plus, I can add the task. And if I click on my tasks, so my team is here, my tasks are here. Claude Code is simple and easy. You can just install it on any platform, as I mentioned, that whether it is Windows, Mac, or Linux. And even you can use it Visual Studio Code. So in next video, we'll be doing that. So let's continue to next video now.